And I am convinced that nothing can ever separate us from God's love. Neither death nor life, neither angels nor demons, neither our fears for today nor our worries about tomorrow, not even the powers of hell can separate us from God's love. Romans 8 verse 38. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another tutorial or whatever. Today I'm going to be doing the smoky eye. Before I even get into that, I just want to say thank you to everyone who subscribes to my channel, everyone for the love and the comments and the likes and the shares on my last video. Thank you guys so much. So yeah, I'm back with another tutorial, and this time it's not I'm not following, but that will be something consistent on my channel, by the way, so keep your eyes peeled for that. But today I'm going to be doing a smoky eye tutorial. I haven't done a smoky eye in ages, and with a smoky eye, it's a hit and miss, okay? If you get it wrong, if you do one step wrong, just forget it. Just throw the whole eye in the bin, because yeah, if it's something that you're interested in seeing, then carry on watching. Alright, so the first thing you obviously want to do is to moisturize your skin. I've moisturized my skin off camera, and yeah, I'm going to prime now. So to prime, I'm going to be using the Lottie London Illuminating Coconut Primer, and that is in the shade Golden. It is quite yellow and quite golden when you put it on. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, so I'm just going to apply that. Not too much though, just so I have a nice glow on my skin. I know someone's going to ask where this is from. This is from Be Perfect Cosmetics. It's just like a hairband. I don't know what it's actually called, but I just use it to get my hair out my face, or if my hair is a mess, I just use it to cover it up. Next, I'm going to jump into the brows, and for my brows, I'm using something new as well. I'm using I always use Benefit eyebrow pencil in the shade. But I always use the Benefit eyebrow pencil because I just feel like it glides on so perfectly. If I use Benefit, I'll use a Sleep Makeup microfine brow pencil as well. That's amazing. I'm going to be using the Lottie London Arch Rival, and this is in the shade Dark. Like with like tiny brow pencils, it's like a hit and miss, because some of them, they're really aggressive. Like they poke into my eyebrow and it hurts so much, but when you have a right one that just glides onto the skin, like this isn't bad. This is like in the middle between gliding. I feel like I had to rub it, like I had to warm it up on my hand first, but it's actually quite good. And it's really giving me hair stroke vibes, as in it doesn't look like product, it looks like my actual brows. So that's what I like. The shade is absolutely perfect as well. And then I'll be using the Makeup Revolution XX concealer to conceal my brows. Then I'm going to take this Zoeva brush. This is a Zoeva Concealer Perfector brush, and this brush is absolutely amazing. Like this is a new brush, but I've been using it anyhow. Like it's so good. It blends out so well. So yeah, I'm using that to blend out my concealer. And then I'm going to go over with the Be Perfect eyeshadow base. Alright, so for this eyeshadow look, I'm going to be using the Be Perfect Clientele palette, and this is in collaboration with Makeup with Jar. As you can see, my mirror is cracked. But yeah, this is the palette I'll be using. I'll mostly be using probably Brownie, GG, and Too Much. That's probably like the 3 shades that I'll be using. I want to keep it as simple as possible, and obviously just black. And then I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution XX Exact eyeliner, and this is just like a black eyeliner. It's not like a pencil, it's more of a gel. Yeah, just a gel liner. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get my transition color on, and with the transition color I like my smoky eyes to be very like black to brown. I don't really like the whole red outline eyeshadow. That's where I feel like I mess up sometimes with my smoky eyes. So I'm gonna try and go for like a shade that's browny, more on the browner side than the red side. I'm taking my Doll Beauty DB5 brush, and then I'm gonna take brownie, this shade right here, and I'm gonna use that as my transition color. Then I'm gonna go over my eyeliner. First I'm gonna pat it on, but I'm going very light-handed. Very light-handed. And with a smoky eye, just be prepared to blend. Like, the blending you have to do is out of this world, so just be prepared to blend. If you like, you can even take breaks because, boy, that's how serious it is. Yeah, that's my first shade on. I don't know why it looks kind of purple here. It's scaring me, but we're gonna keep going. Okay, so now I'm gonna go with my black eyeliner, and I'm just gonna like literally coat my lid with it. And some people don't use black eyeliner, but I feel like this is what makes your eyeshadow really pop, or makes your smoky eye as black as possible. Now you've made it to this point. You're gonna look a little scary, I can't lie to you. I can't lie to you, I can't sugarcoat on that one. But at this moment, it can either go one of two ways, left or right. You want to pray that it doesn't go left. I'm gonna blend out the edges of this eyeshadow with no product, by the way. I'm just gonna go in and blend out the edges just so it's not as harsh. And if you find that it's not really like budging, tap on it. Like right now I'm tapping downwards and it's like blending out, if that even makes any sense. But yeah, I'm actually tapping downwards, and as you can see, it's blended. I just hope this doesn't mess me up. So now the eyeshadow is blended. Fantastic stuff. I'm gonna take black eyeshadow. So the shade is called Just Black, and I'm just gonna coat over that eyeliner, and that's just gonna mattify it rather than my eye being all glossy. And it's gonna intensify that color, so you can see a huge difference between this eye and this eye. Okay, so now you've set your black eyeshadow. I like where this is going. We're on track right now. So now that you set that black eyeshadow, you also want to blend the edges of that. So I'm just gonna blend. And the way I'm doing my eyeshadow is like kind of like feline, if that makes any sense. So rather than it just stopping here, I'm kind of like winging it out, but not really winging it out that much. I just feel like it makes your eyes look a lot prettier when it's like flicked out. And then I'm gonna go in with Too Much, and that's a dark brown, and that's gonna be the shade that blends my transition shade to my lid shade, and that's literally the last shade. This is how easy a smoky eye is if you take your time and just follow through. Okay, so I'm gonna take just Too Much, which is a dark brown, and literally you just want to apply that just on top of where you blended out your black eyeshadow. Honestly, I'd say use a smaller brush than I'm using if you have one, and it will look way better, because I kind of just messed that up. And then go back in with the transition color just to blend out the edges of that brown eyeshadow. So it's all about blending, guys. So you blend, you add a shade, you blend, you add another shade, you blend. That's literally it. So now I'm gonna apply my lashes and then I will be back. Alright, as you can see, I've got my lashes on and yeah, I'm really feeling this eyeshadow look. This video is mostly for the eyes, so I'm just gonna zoom past and show you guys my face. Then I'll come back to finish like my bottom lash line and yeah. Okay, so now I'm going to take black eyeliner, and this is the Lottie London AM to PM eyeliner, and it's really pigmented, but it kind of like cracked at the top, so I hope it's going to apply properly. Great. It's just so creamy and so pigmented, guys. Then I'm going to take some brown eyeshadow and I'm just going to smoke out my bottom lash line, and that's my eyes done, literally. Okay, so I just sweeped underneath my eye and I'm just going to sweep. Guys, if I tell you, yeah, woo, the devil doesn't want me to record this video. The devil doesn't want me to record. Guys, this makeup is absolutely amazing, yeah. I looked in the mirror away from all the lights and I said, what the heck? And the devil didn't want me to record because all of a sudden my camera started doing orange. The lighting too. I use natural light most of the time. The lighting started to evaporate. What's going on? I had to bring out another light and I had to adjust my camera settings. For the past 20 minutes I've been doing that. But anyway, we're here. Okay, we're here. We've made it. We're gonna keep going. Mascara today, I'm using the Lily Lashes XXX mascara. And I'm just going to take that on my bottom lash line. And now I'm going to highlight with my Sleek Liquid Highlighter. Okay, so now I finished my face. I'm going to move on to the lips, and people always ask me for my lips, so I'm not going to do it off camera, I'm going to do it on camera. So I used the Juvia's Place lip liner, luxe liner in the shade Cola, and then I go on top on my lip with C'est La Vie from Doll Beauty Cosmetics. This is their lipstick, and then I go on top with my Chem Beauty lip gloss. Yeah, it's a glitter lip gloss. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I'm sorry I wasn't as like active. I just wanted to be like a straightforward tutorial. I don't want to ramble on too much as I usually do. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial guys. If you did, make sure you like, comment and subscribe. And if you don't want to miss out whenever I make a new post, click the bell next to the subscription button and that will just give you like an alert whenever I make a new upload or when I post a new video. So yeah, I hope you have a great morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you are in the world. Stay blessed, stay safe, and stay prayed up. Flashback where? Flashback, yeah, flashback where? We don't know her. Where does she live? What's her address? I don't know, because I've never met her.